Hi traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, I am going to be showing you how to use the Currency Heatmap Indicator for MT4. If you want to download the indicator, just check the description below, follow the link, and when you get to the web page, just download the indicator and then head back to your terminal, open data folder, make sure that you extract the the file that you downloaded from the description, okay? And then pick the indicator, the ex4 file or the mql4 file as the case may be, and paste it inside the indicators folder here. Head back to your terminal, just refresh your navigator. After doing that, you should find the currency heatmap indicator somewhere there, okay? Currency heatmap, drag and drop. Ensure that your allow DLL imports box is checked, okay? And then you can see the customizable settings here. All right, you can modify these according to your taste. This is how the indicator looks like. So this indicator is a heat map indicator, as the name implies, of course, and it is designed to display real-time currency strength and weakness in a heat map format, as you can see. So you can instantly identify stronger and weaker currencies. We have the US dollar, the euro, the Great British pound, Japanese yen, Swiss franc, Canadian dollar, Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, right? So both on the vertical axis and the horizontal axis, you see the currency pairs, the currencies outlined, and then you can be able to, weigh and know which one is stronger against the other, right? Against the other. USD against USD have to be blank. Euro against Euro is blank. GBP against GBP is blank, and so on and so forth, right? So what you have to be doing is to check USD against Euro, USD against GBP, USD against JPY, like that and like that. All right, GBP against Euro, and so on and so forth. Okay, so guys, if you are a kind of trader that pays attention to currency strength, then this indicator might come in handy. Okay, make sure you always get confirmations from your candlestick patterns, chart patterns, and all of that before executing a trade. Okay, while this indicator gives you information about the strength of currencies, you should also pay attention to your technical analysis. All right, make sure you have a strategy, a clear entry plan and exit plan, and do not joke with risk management. It's very important. If you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now so that you do not miss out on the many indicators, videos, expert advisors videos, strategy videos that we post here. Okay, you don't want to miss out on the valuable content being shared on this channel. So kindly subscribe and turn on your notifications, okay, if you will, of course. In the meantime, thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.